If you ever been wondering how to start a branded dropshipping boutique, you definitely can. I've definitely had a lot of people ask me if vendors have branding where you can add your logo, brand it with packaging. And I definitely want to go into detail with this vendor. So let's just jump right into it. In today's video, I'll be going over what is dropshipping, merchandise info, shipping, packing, and returns and marketing material. Now, I always want to explain what dropshipping is. Just in case you did not know, you can start a online boutique without any inventory. A vendor that I know will hold the inventory for you and ship the items. So a customer places an order on your website. You then place that order on your vendor's website, and your vendor will ship that item directly to your customer. So you don't have to hold the inventory. You don't have to put a lot of money up front. The vendor will handle all of that information for you and all of the shipping and packing. So dropshipping is a pretty good side hustle, and you will keep the profits. So you can price it $50 on your website, and maybe it costs $20 on your vendor's site. So then you get to keep that profit. This is a dropshipping boutique vendor that you can use that has a lot of branding options. This is my online fashion store. You can start with them for free. They do also sync with Shopify. So just in case you wanted to know a branding boutique vendor, this is one. I'm going to go ahead and go over their merchandise information. They do have about 500 items in stock. They ship from their warehouse in Los Angeles, California. They have 100 to 200 new items and styles added weekly. They do restock their favorites and most popular items. They do have free returns as well. So this is a vendor that I've used personally when I did have my dropship boutique. The packing, amazing. Quality, amazing. They have a mix of nice clothes and everything as well. So that's just some information about their products. And they do wholesale as well. And if you want to know some type of items they sell, they have dresses, two-piece sets, top, bottoms, all that. So that's a little bit of the items that they sell and what their style is. And so they also do the shipping for you. I know a lot of people ask, how does the shipping come, the packaging? This is what the package will look like when it goes to your customer. So it's going to be blank pretty much. It'll have their information on it. Not their information. It will have your information on the package. It won't say their information actually. But that's what the shipping label will read. It'll read from their shipping department is what I meant. So it does come blank. They do ship to the United States. They have fast shipping within 5 to 7 business days. And then orders are processed and shipped within 5 to 7 business days. They ship USPS. So this is how the package does come. And of course, you do need a website to sell your dropshipping clothes on. I do make pre-made Shopify websites. They are $50. We will sync the inventory for you. It'll be a whole branded boutique. Link in the description for that. So yes, we will use a vendor. Maybe this vendor, maybe not this vendor. But yeah, we do make pre-built branded Shopify boutiques that come packed with inventory. And we currently are having a $50 sale. So link in the description for more information regarding pre-built Shopify boutiques. So they do even have a video showing how to place orders after you become a dropship member. That is regarding once you make a sale, you have to go on their website and be approved to go ahead and start dropshipping. It's usually a quick and easy process. And that's some of their shipping fees, as you can see, based off of per item. And then they do have customized packaging, which we're going to get more into towards the end of the video. But like I said, they sync with Shopify, and then they have a 14-day free trial. Then after that, they do have certain pricing plans. But yeah, in Shopify, you can start for $1 a month. And then after that, Shopify will charge you. But this is a good way, to start dropshipping. So we are going to go over their branding. Like I said, you can even add clothing label, hang tags like that. Branded, they have poly mailers. So that way they will even hold this for you. They'll ship your dropship items in your own packaging. So that is a option as well. They even make logos as well. So they have the whole packaging. So as regarding packaging information, like I said, I have ordered from them before. And when they packed my items, they were pretty stuffed. It wasn't loose or anything. They packed it pretty tight. That's some of the packaging items they use, packaging with care. So they do make sure it's packed pretty neatly and safely to get to your customer. And now they do free returns. So just so if you're wondering, how does returns work with dropshipping? Once your customer asks for a refund or a return, you would then get the label from them, and then you would send that label to your customer. Once your customer gets that label, that item will return back to the dropshipping vendor. So that's how that works. And then they'll pay you back the money, and then you would then put that money back to your customer's card. So that's how returns work. They are free. They will send you the label by email, and once received and approved, then they will start the return process. And they do have a frequently asked questions page. I would definitely recommend reading that if you have more questions that need to be answered. Link in the description to check out this dropshipping vendor, which I have used myself. They do have fast shipping. And then, like I said, the branding, they can make your logo, or they can even upload your own logo. So the poly mailers, they can, package your items in that. And then they also have the flyers. They can make custom flyers, which can be inserted into the package as well. And they also even have custom hang tags to, give your items on a clothes a little more branding. So like I said, this vendor has the custom shebang of the whole branding, okay? This is a way to start a branding dropshipping boutique. And then eventually you can even branch out to wholesale, because they do have wholesale as well. So link in the description for this vendor and all pre-made Shopify boutiques. Hope this video helped someone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.